But like I keep saying, this is like a literal tornado. I'm very thankful that I haven't heard anything too serious right now, though. But then again, I did actually have to admit, I did kind of pray that we'd all be lucky tonight. Ooh, that was a bright one. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's flashing really. Me almost falling over. So yeah, I don't see anything through the lightning. But there's no way I'm going out there because that's dangerous and the screen's still in the window. No wonder if I'll have school today. I honestly would set off my Edwards Model 5 for 20, but just the fact that it's in the middle of the night, I was like, I kind of just want it to be a daytime siren. If there's ever a daytime emergency, I'll set it off in a real emergency, but not in the middle of the night. Even though it is a good idea to wake people up and this type of thing, I have to admit, it's still just, I don't want anyone getting mad at me. That's funny. Light, rain, and thunder, but then there's tornado warning. Oh, it's only until 2:15. I thought it was 2:30. It's 1:54. Just hear a train in the distance. If there's actually a tornado, I wonder how the train handles it. Does remind me that I did see like this one thing one time. It was like this train had a tornado go basically right over it. Now it's starting to pick up, but hopefully we'll still be safe. Is that just a tornado? Or is that just thunder? It'd be terrifying but funny just to see a tornado go straight over this house. But like I keep saying, I hope God protects us all. It's funny that I'm actually quite calm right now. A bit excited even. Now it looks like it's over there. Or at least compared to the lightning I'm seeing. 157. There goes a big wind gust. I keep thinking I see a funnel over there, but I don't. By the way, what we're looking at right now, if there is a tornado out there, it is a nocturnal tornado, which is a very deadly tornado. Because you can not see it coming until you see the lightning flash. My camera's at 56% right now, and it's only just about 2 o'clock. Hopefully it can last the whole time, because that would be really cool. Or else I'll have to start recording on my phone. I think my scanner died. That's not good.